Dare you do this?
A Seed from the Sower has originated from the studios of the Guido Evangelistic Association.
This concludes the regularly scheduled television activities of WSCT-TV. WSCT-TV is a member of the All Britain Communications family and transmits on Channel 13 with a maximum lobe of 300,000 watts effective radiated power. WSCT conducts its transmitting activities from atop Thaxton Mountain with offices and studios located at 2320 Langhorne Road in Lynchburg, Virginia. WSCT utilizes the microwave facilities of KIO 85 and in Roanoke, Virginia of translator station W05AA telecasting on Channel 5. WSCT-TV is a television code subscriber of the National Association of Broadcasters and welcomes your comments and criticisms. To watch better television, watch Channel 13, a television code station. The staff and management of WSCT-TV bid you a most pleasant good night and a good morning.